In the fast-paced world, the electricity is the driving force behind every business.
Yes, the grid instability and the rising energy costs have become a global challenge. Bluesun Solar presents the 50 kilowatt commercial
and the industrial energy storage system.
Powered by high-voltage LiFePro4 batteries, it ensures long-lasting life and stable performance.
With smart grid and off-grid switching, power supply remains safe and reliable.
Tax saving and value filling helps businesses to reduce their electricity bills.
From factories and commercial operations to communities and healthcare facilities,
Bluesun Solar provides stable and green power solutions.
Greater parallel expansion allows to up to 4 to 6 units to meet even grid power needs.
Intelligent monitoring platform provides a real-time access to energy data and easy power management.
This system enables business to save energy and reduce consumption while moving forward to a sustainable future. Bluesun Solar, powering efficiency, shaping a cleaner tomorrow.
Contact us anytime to learn more about energy solutions.